This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Sean Segal. Less than bedroom, greater than DRE number 00768704. Beautifully updated home with large lot and pool for great entertainment and exercise. Open floor plan in great location. All updated kitchen, baths, flooring, inside paint, outside paint, recessed lights. Room for RV/boat. Home is in Brookvale area, Fremont, and a cul-de-sac west/neighbors on one side only. Brookvale Trail Park adjoins the home on one side, and at back. This is like a home with a park trail. Top rated schools: Brookvale Elementary, Thornton Junior, American High School. Close to local mall with CVS, Lucky Brookvale Mall, Lucky, CVS, 24-hour fitness, and others. Close to Freeways, 880-680, Bart, Union City. For more information, review the details below.